probably pick salmon so I could do this in the mirror and then go.
Guess who is cooking up a storm in Noida, Sector 129? It's Sunny Leone.
Hi.
I'm Shubham Bhatnagar from NDTV Food, and today we are going to speak to Sunny Leone about a new cafe in Sector 129. Hi Sunny, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
So tell us something about the place that you have opened now.
As you can see, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then our menu. Our menu is so extensive and it's absolutely amazing. You name it, we probably have some version of what you would like.
Oh, I can't wait to try that. So, I mean, everyone has a guilty pleasure. So what is that guilty pleasure dish from the menu that you think that, oh my god, I'm so glad that this is in the menu?
The pizza.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your spice level? Like how spicy can you have?
You know, it depends on what it is.
Okay.
If it's a spicy golgappa,
Yeah.
then I can handle 1 or 2 of those.
Yeah.
But I like to taste the flavors of the ingredients in the food and not have it being taken over by mirchi.
Yeah.
So sometimes I feel like when there's so much mirchi in something, then you can't actually taste what's in it.
So now we come to the rapid fire round. That's the fun session. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. You have to be very witty and as quick as possible you can. So name 3 celebrities, living or dead, you would love to invite them in Chica Loca.
Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah.
I would love to invite Brad Pitt
Wow.
or Leo because they're so cute.
I agree.
We're on the same page.
Yes.
And then from Bollywood, I would love to invite Salman or Shah Rukh. See if they like what we've done.
Okay, if Chica Loca had a mascot, what would that be?
It's me! Hello! I'm the mascot!
Okay, if you were a spice, what would that be?
I think I would be avocado smash spice. Because I love avocado.
If your life had a theme song, what would that be?
Oh, the Rocky song?
Yeah.
Going up the steps?
Oh, nice. We should do that after this. Okay, last question for rapid fire. If you could switch roles with any celebrity for a day, could be anybody from sports, movies, anybody, who would that be and why?
I'd probably pick Salman so I could do this in the
Yeah.
mirror and then go.
And on that dabang style.
Yeah.
Alright, that was the end of the rapid fire round. So the next round is Would You Rather. I'm going to ask you some questions. Would you rather? And then you have to pick one option. Would you rather have a Bollywood dance-off with Ranveer Singh or a heartfelt emotional scene with Shah Rukh Khan?
A dance off with
Ranveer Singh.
Because I would just want to see what he would do.
Yes. Would you rather be stuck in a lift with a melodramatic Bollywood mother-in-law character or a method actor who insists in staying in the character?
The method actor who insists on staying in character because at least I would just be laughing the whole time.
Would you rather star in a Bollywood superhero film with a quirky superpower or play the lead role in a Bollywood horror comedy?
Ooh, I would choose a superhero.
So this is from Friends, the Friends that show.
Okay.
Would you rather have Monica as a personal chef but deal with her OCD, or have Joey cook for you knowing that he never shares food?
Okay, I would say Monica with OCD because I have OCD.
Oh, okay.
So we get along.
Breaking news. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you.
It was lovely having you.
Thanks.